Hello everyone, and welcome to the Influencer Barbie channel. We have Miss Barbie Roberts, and I am Barbie's assistant. My name is Beverly, and I am an adult Barbie enthusiast. Welcome to our Barbieverse. We create content for people who love all things Barbie as much as we do. Now, we've looked at some Barbie playsets in the past, and I wanted to show you a couple more today. This is from the Barbie World collection. I believe these came out last year. And this is the Backyard Cookout set. It has a grill. And we did look at some other grills in previous videos. And I'll put a link to that up there. But I wanted to take a look at this one as well and see if this is something that we might want to add to our Barbie house. And the back of this box shows how you can use the different play sets in the Barbie house. This dishwasher set is another one of the play sets that they had. So let's take a look at the grill here. We'll go ahead and do that unboxing on camera. Here we go. And here's the back of the box. We might be able to use that picture somehow in our Barbieverse, especially with this background and then the grass. This little stone pattern would be fun to create for our actual Barbie house once we get that set up. And I'd already said that we need to have a grilling area for the Barbie house. And so we'll be adding some items to it. This is the actual grill set. It's open in the back. And this little piece, I believe, fits in here. There we go. These doors do not open, and the dials are just molded on. They don't turn, but the top does raise. And our burgers and brats are attached to the grill, and I don't think that's removable. Nope. So let's set that there, and we'll take a look at the things that come with it. Got a nice little mitt here with a Barbie logo on it, and it has a quilted pattern. It's actually pretty nicely textured. And then we have a hot dog with mustard. It's all one molded piece. And the grill does have some spots where we can slot some of these things in here. We have a drink. And mine seems to have some, there we go, it had a smudge on it. A little thumb hook and a little bendy straw to it. There we go. And we have a bottle of ketchup with a handle. And some cooking tongs. They are fairly flexible, so we can use those for grilling. And they do have a handle. And we have a yellow spatula that Barbie and her family can use while grilling. So that was it for the backyard cookout set. I think our other grills might work better for the Barbie house backyard, but maybe we'll see if we can customize this a little bit and make it into something that we like a little bit better. This set I was really excited about, the Relax and Unwind set for the Barbie world. And we have 2 pink Adirondack style chairs. And there was a Barbie playset that came out a few years ago that had one sort of aqua colored Adirondack style chair that I was thinking about ordering, but when I saw this set and with the 2 pink ones, I thought we are going to have to get that one. And here we see Barbie and her friends relaxing at the lake. This hammock and guitar set is another one that they have available. So we'll have to look at getting that one and adding that to our Barbie backyard. So let's open up this playset. And these are all still available at Walmart and Target, as well as Amazon. Here we go, and here's the inside of the box. It's another nice little backdrop. I tore it a little bit, detaching it, but maybe that's something that we could use in our Barbie verse. And here is one of the chairs. It's really nicely made. It does look like it would come apart. It seems like the seat and the back are one piece, and then the arms could be detached. But I'm not going to try that because I'm afraid that I would break it. And it also has a Barbie ponytail logo on the chair. So that will be fun to go in our Barbie backyard. I think we are going to have to do a pool for the dolls as well as a grilling area. And then we have these are taped down. I guess these are supposed to be little towels or blankets for the dolls to use to keep warm when the sun goes down. And then we have 2 mugs of hot chocolate. They do have little slots at the bottom. So the Adirondack chairs don't have any slots that these would fit into, but they do appear that they would fit into some of our other Barbie play sets that do have molded slots. So that's going to be a really fun addition to the backyard of the Barbie house. So those playsets were both from the Barbie World line. And this next one is also from Barbie World. This is a newer set, I believe. I think this one came out just a few months ago in early 2025. And this, they call it the Pet Paradise. It's basically a cat play area. And I've said it before, as much as I love the dogs that come in the different Barbie sets, we don't get very many cats. So it's always good to have cats in the mix here. And here's what it shows on the back. And there's also a hamster playset. So let us know in the comments below if you'd like us to take a look at the hamster playset and add that to the Roberts home. Let's see if we can get this one out of the box. And I kind of destroyed this box getting the back off. Those are really cute little paw prints on the wallpaper there. Okay, the actual pet play area was easy to remove from the box, and the picture here shows that this part can swing around and this leaf here can move up and down. Let's put it up here. So that we can see it. And so we have a little gray cat. And a little brown cat. Let's see, will you fit in here? Here we go. We also have a little pink plastic piece that's supposed to be a bag of cat food. And we have a little purple turtle. I'm not certain if he is supposed to be a toy for the cats or if he is another pet. Since he's purple, it doesn't seem like he would be a pet, but I don't know. And then we have these two little cute bowls for our kitties that are shaped like fish. Those are going to be really cute in the Barbie house. And we also have two little fish treats for kitties. Now what I was thinking, I plan on the first room or rooms that we're going to make in the Barbie house is going to be the Barbie kitchen that will also have a laundry area, and I'm thinking that would be a good room for our little cat play area to go. My kitties, at least, always enjoy being in the kitchen where there is food and other things going on, so I think that the Barbie family kitties will enjoy that as well. Well, let us know in the comments below, what did you think of these 3 play sets, and which items did you enjoy best from them, and what do you think we should use in our Barbie house? I'm definitely planning on having these Adirondack style chairs in the Barbie backyard. Like I said, I think we definitely need to put in a swimming pool, and we'll see what we can do with this grill to maybe make it look a little bit more appealing for the Barbie house. And we're definitely going to have to include the kitty house, the kitty play set area in there. Well, thank you very much for watching. Please remember to like, comment, share, and subscribe. It really does help our channel to grow. And once we hit some subscriber milestones, we plan to have some fun giveaways. And if you would like a chance of getting a shout out in a future video, just comment below with the hashtag InfluencerBarbie. Thanks for watching, and we hope to see you in our next video here in our Barbieverse. Bye-bye!